koutou, Kor Tiana toku ingoa. My name is Tiana.
And mo asara Winton School, Kor Carlie ho. I am Carlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 23rd of May.
Okay, let's start the week with Tari class news. Can we have a drum roll, please, for
Room 1 and Room 11.
Back of the net. Keep your classes tidy and you might be eating pizza for lunch in the last week of the term.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is morena, which is te reo for good morning.
As in morena. Good morning, mate.
That's morena, which is te reo for good morning.
Ka HI VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. It's down. No, down. No, down, like that. Yep.
Hockey news. Winton Leopards, please meet at the library steps at 12:45.
All other year 0 to 5 hockey players meet on the new basketball court at 12:45. Kia ora.
Pals news. The roster is up on the library window. Check it out at morning tea for who and where.
And speaking of wharu puka puka news, the House of Books, aka the library, will be open pupu through to Ramere from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issuing.
Science fair news. All year 5 to 8 students interested in entering the Science Fair 2016 meet in the library at morning tea, please.
Birthday news. None today at Winton School, but on the day in 1934, Bonnie and Clyde had their last chapter written by a police ambush.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kia popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, Winton School.